testing out 2 different nail kits for your nails. The first one is a stamping kit, and this one is where you draw on your nails. And at the end, I'm going to be rating them both 1 out of 10 and telling you which one's the best. Oh, that's easy.
That bag's pretty.
Ooh, it's sparkly. That's so pretty. Okay, let's see. Ooh, this looks cool. Okay, so here it is out of the pack. I just love the cupcake design, and I like how it says ombre. It's pretty. Now, let's open this one. Ooh, these look like little pens. Here's what came in this kit. Here's what came in the second pack. I'm going to start with the stamping kit, and the first step is to paint your nails. I'm going to start by painting my mom's nails first, because in case I mess up, it's on her nails. I've got my mom's nails painted and I'm ready to go. While my mom's nails dry, I'm going to start doing my own nails with the other kit.
What do you think, Heather? Is it good quality polish or no?
I feel like the brush is the tricky part. You
Yeah,
know how the brushes have to spread out a little bit when you push down?
Doesn't.
Yeah.
It's kind of hard to get the brush to spread properly. It's not bad though. I mean, I remember some Num Noms nail polish we used.
Oh gosh.
That was actually nail polish. You know, it doesn't seem like that bad of quality nail polish, and it seems like they probably actually did give us something good, and they weren't just trying to skimp and give bad stuff.
That's good.
This is going on pretty thick.
So my nails are all done and we have to wait for them to dry. I really like the color, it's super pretty. And I was thinking while we're waiting for them to dry, what if we paint my dog's nails? In case you don't know, this is Hana. Good girl.
Aww.
Good job, Hana.
Her fur is so long, it's like hiding the nails.
You look
Girl,
pretty.
Hana.
You're a good girl. You're being such a good puppy.
Oh my gosh, she's gonna look so cute.
Look at her nails.
Come here,
Look
Hana.
at her. Hana, you look so pretty. Look at those nails.
Now we're gonna do Kona's nails, and she just had surgery, so this will make her feel more ladylike and pretty.
Look at her. She's like enjoying it. She's just sitting there like, oh yeah, pamper me.
Golden Retrievers have such long paw fur. I feel like I'm painting more hair than nail.
All done. Okay, back inside so I can finish my own nails.
I peeled off one of the little stickers on here. Which nail do you want it on?
Let's do it on this one.
Okay, so you press the little sticker down on your nail,
Okay.
and the next step is coloring it in with the marker.
How do I? Oh, that's so cool. I think you have to press it.
You squeeze the blue part. Yeah.
I really need like magnifying glass.
I know. Here's the first one. This is really fun so far, except for the only bad thing is that the stickers rip really easily. So if you're doing this, be really careful with the stickers.
Well, we thought we had the heart.
Okay, I got it back.
How are we gonna do it?
We'll just run this
It's like losing a contact lens.
Yeah, but at least I can see it.
Uh-oh.
It's a little ripped. Dang it. You know what? We can use the black nail polish to kind of fill in some of the spots. So
that's
look.
true.
Ooh,
Ah, she's fixing it. See, it was a little ripped, and she's filling in that little spot that was. There we go.
perfect. And
That's
now,
That looks good now. What color you
Oh,
got?
whoa. Look at all this nail polish.
Oh gosh.
Oh
It's like
my
leaking out the top.
Oh boy.
oh my gosh.
Oops.
Uh-oh.
I always wanted black. It was like this. Instead of on my nails. It's like I'm gonna have these disgusting hands for like a week.
I'm gonna use the pens Alyssa's using, and I'm gonna try to put a design on my own nail using them. Little heart. Alyssa's gonna try to do a design on my nail with the pen herself now. She's gonna do some little dots. It's gonna look cute.
Don't move.
I should have known the artist would be so good at doing nails. That looks good. Okay, we're back to Alyssa. We're adding a sticker to hers. She looks a little nervous. You'd think she was getting a shot. She doesn't like how this nail looks because it looks a little messy.
Okay, let me see your
the whole
hand.
thing's a little messy.
Let me fix that thumb really quick.
It's good to practice sometimes to see if you can do it.
Yeah.
Or what if
Do
I just
two.
did? What if I just did this? Look, what if I just did like lines but smaller, going all the way across?
We decided on the chevron stripes, so we'll let her try her hand at this one now.
I'm gonna make a couple of like marks so I know where to go. It's so tiny and like hard. Like, Hana, don't you dare bump me.
Hana wants more nail polish.
It's so tiny. It's so
of her own free will.
it's so easy to like mess up.
There's my chevron stripe. I like it. Alyssa's gonna put a star on my third fingernail.
Now I'm gonna do the nail stamper and we're gonna do the heart design. Here we go. Okay, it's in. Okay, let's go. Here we go.
Push down nice and hard. Did it stick on your nail?
Oh. Does the nail have to be wet?
No, I don't think so. So I just double checked the instructions, and apparently you can only use their nail polish.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, no wonder.
So we thought this nail polish looked kind of cheap, so we didn't want to use it. But I guess we're gonna put some of that on.
So I just did the nail in their nail polish, and after it dries, we're gonna test it again. While this is drying, we're gonna try out some of the jewels on my other nails. These are so cute and tiny. These stickers are turning out so cute. Let's do this one. No, let's just. Here we go. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes, and now let's see if it's gonna work on the blue nail.
Push it nice and hard.
Wait, it like actually kind of worked, but like kind
Ooh,
of.
wow.
Whoa.
Okay, that's actually really cute.
Okay, if I press down a little harder, it will work better.
That was good. I think you got the whole thing. Cute. Hers all look really, really good.
Fancy. Amazing. Ooh, so pretty. Here's our second hand. So it turns out if you do use their nail polish, it actually turns out really good. Okay, so now it's time for me to rate these products. So for this one, I really liked it because it like worked and everything. The only bad part was if you don't use their nail polish and you like use your own, then it won't work.
So if you want to use a really cool color, you can't necessarily use it
Yeah, so you have to be okay with blue, purple, and
if they sell
Yeah.
anything else. Yeah, but it did work really well. The stamps and stickers are super cute on there.
it did. It was
Yes,
very cute.
there's our hand model, and look how cute they turned out.
I know. Okay, so for this product, I would say like the little tips worked really well because they're so tiny.
Very
That was
precise.
good. Yes, and the colors are pretty good. It seemed like good quality nail polish. And these little things are good, except the only bad part about this one is the stickers. They rip so much when they come off. So the stickers aren't that great.
And they should have sent us a white colored marker.
Yes.
That would have been helpful.
Now for the final score. I'm going to give this one an 8 out of 10. It was very good. And this, since the stickers weren't as great, it's going to have a 6 out of 10. So these both would have gotten a 10 out of 10 if we were able to use our own nail polish. And this one, if the sticker worked. And we got white. More colors are always better. Options, people. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching my video today. Make sure to hit the thumbs up button right now. I see you. Okay, good. And if there's any more products you want me to try, then let me know in the comments. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Bye!